Dear students, today we'll start the numericals of cost. So before starting the numerical questions of cost, let us see some of the formulas which will be required to solve the questions. So the first formula is for total cost. Now what is the formula for total cost? Total cost is denoted by TC. Okay, so what is the formula of TC? TFC plus TBC, where TFC stand for total fixed cost and TBC stand for total variable cost. Clear? Now next formula will be average cost. Now what is the formula for average cost? Average cost is denoted by AC. So the formula is TC by Q. TC means total cost and Q means output. Number 3, average fixed cost. Now average fixed cost is denoted by AFC. And what is the formula for that? TFC divided by output, that is Q. Next one is average variable cost. It is denoted by ABC. So what is the formula for calculating ABC? TVC by Q, where TVC is total variable cost and Q is output. And last one, marginal cost. So what is the formula for marginal cost? And marginal cost is denoted by MC. So the formula is TCN minus TCN minus 1. To understand the concept, let us do one question. Of a firm is given below. So you are given with output and total cost. So it's given when output was 0, total cost was 60. When output was 1, total cost was 80. When output was 2, total cost was 100. When output was 3, total cost was 111. When output was 4, our total cost was 116. So you are given with this cost function and you are asked to calculate total fixed cost, total variable cost, average fixed cost, average variable cost and marginal cost. So with the help of this cost function, you have to calculate this cost, that is total fixed cost, total variable cost, average fixed cost, average variable cost and marginal cost. So let's see how to calculate this. So just now I have highlighted the formulas to you. So with the help of those formulas, we will calculate these cost. So let's start the solution. The solution. Now we are given with output and total cost. Up to here it was mentioned in the question. Now we are asked to calculate total fixed cost, total variable cost, average fixed cost, average variable cost and marginal cost. So let's see how it is calculated. So always remember that at 0 level of output, the total cost was 60. Whatever be the cost at 0 level of output is our TFC. Whenever you are calculating total fixed cost, you have to see that in 0 level of output, what is the total cost? Here in 0 level of output, our total cost was 60. So total fixed cost will be 60, 60, 60. As discussed earlier in the video, total fixed costs are those costs which does not change with output. It remains fixed irrespective of the change in the output. Means if output changes, total fixed cost will remain constant, always constant. Okay, so at 0 level of output, our total cost was 60. So we can say that total fixed cost for all the outputs will be 60. Clear? Now how to find total variable cost? Now I have discussed one formula, that is TC equals to TFC plus TVC. So with the help of this formula we can find TVC. So our total cost is given, we got total fixed cost. Now we can easily find this total variable cost. So what will be the formula for total variable cost? We can find total variable cost by subtracting TC with TFC. Clear? So here how TVC is calculated? 60 minus 60. 60 minus 60 will be 0. Then 80 minus 60, 20. then 100 minus 60 40, 111 minus 60 51, 116 minus 60 56. So this way we got TVC. Now AFC, so the formula to was TFC by Q. So this was the formula to find AFC. Now you can see that we got our TFC at 60, 60, 60, 60 and 60. So the first one will be dash because 60 for the first output, that is in zero level of output, AFC will be 0, or we can just keep a hyphen for that. Next AFC will be TFC by Q. So TFC was 60 and here output was 1. So 60 divided by 1 is 60. Next one 60 divided by 2. So next one will be 60 divided by 2, 30. So 30. Similarly we got 60 divided by 3, that is 20. Then 60 divided by 4, 15. So this way we got our AFC. Now we will find ABC. So what is the formula for finding ABC? The formula is TBC by Q. Similarly here the first TBC was 0. So 0 divided by 0 is dash. Then 20 divided by 1 is 20. Then 40 divided by 2 is 20. 51 divided by 3 is 17. Then 56 divided by 4 is 40. So this way we got our ABC. Now how to find marginal cost? So finding marginal cost is also very easy. So to find marginal cost we require TC. Clear? So how to find MC? The first one will be dash. Now the second one, how to find this TC, means the TC which is after the another, that is the succeeding TC, that is 80 minus 60 20, then again 100 minus 80 20, then 111 minus 111, then 116 minus 111, that is 5. So this way we got our TC, TFC, TBC, AFC, ABC and MC. So this way I have solved this question. Now I'll be giving you some questions related to this topic. So solve it in your copy. Thank you, students.